6 natural face cleaners you can find in your pantry. Cold weather, stress, and heavily scented face products can impact the health of our skin. Choosing to use natural, homemade face masks can help to keep your skin fresh and strong. Daily routines with the use of face scrubs, toners, and cleansers all contribute to keeping you in top form and can firm your skin with ingredients like grape and egg. 1. Tomato and cucumber toner. Puree 1 small cucumber and 1 large tomato together in a blender. It can then be refrigerated for up to 3 days in a small jar. To use it, simply apply the puree with a cotton pad gently across your face and neck. Leave it on for up to 5 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. 2. Tomato face scrub. Sprinkle 1/5 teaspoon of sugar over a chopped tomato. Slowly massage your face with the tomato, using circular motions. You should be careful not to rub too hard, otherwise, it may irritate your skin a bit. Afterward, wash your face with warm water to remove any tomato or sugar. This exfoliant is fast and easy to use, perfect for right before bed to give your skin an extra boost of life. 3. Grape and egg skin firmer. You'll need to blend 1 egg with 7 grapes in a blender. Make sure that they are blended well so that you get all the oils from the crushed grape seeds. Once it's frothy, use a face brush to apply the mixture to your face and neck, always using upward strokes. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it all off. The phytonutrients in the grapes can help protect your delicate skin from UV radiation. They are also high in vitamin C, meaning that it will form collagen and keep your skin elastic and bright. 4. Dry yeast repair cleanser. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of dried yeast in 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Gently pat the mixture onto your face, making sure you avoid your eyes. Leave it for around 15 minutes before washing it off with warm water and patting your face dry. Yeast is known for being hydrating and producing collagen when applied to the skin. This means that your skin may stay firmer for longer. 5. Almond and mayonnaise scrub. Grind 1/4 cup, 40 grams, of almonds in a blender before mixing in 1/8 teaspoon of mayonnaise. Gently massage your face with the mixture, making sure that you don't miss any spots. Leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it off with warm water. 6. Kiwi scrub. Mix 1 peeled and mashed kiwi with 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and a few drops of olive oil. Using your fingers, softly rub the mixture onto your face using a circular motion for 3 to 5 minutes. Wash it off using warm water,